Hello and welcome back. In this training, we will understand the concept of categories, menus, and articles. A quick note to viewers and participants. You can take your own time to read it. Right? Now, actually I wanted to go and explain you the Joomla backend, but before that I felt it may be a good idea to explain you the concept of categories, menus, and articles. So let's go to our Joomla website. So this is our Joomla website for the sample data which we have installed it. Now, as I explained you a while ago, not these are nothing but your articles. Okay, each of these is one article. This is nothing but your menu. Okay, so what are categories? Now I wanted to explain you uh, in a better way by taking an example. Okay, so look at this. I've taken an example of a book. Any book that you will read will have sections under that, is it not? And each section will have chapters, and each chapter will have like each chapters will have articles in that, right? Or a number of pages in that. So the sections you can call it as a category. Okay, the the chapters you can call it as a menu. Okay, and the pages inside it you can call it as articles. For example, a book on project management. So say a part of that book, first part is, say, it explains you about the definition phase of project management. The second part explains you about the elaboration phase of project management. The third part explains you about the build phase of project management. So taking that, so the first category would be definition in that case, then elaboration as a second category, third category could be build phase, right? Now within each of these sections you will have lessons inside that, right? So say lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, or chapters inside it. That's what you can categorize as a main menu. Or alternatively, if you want to further segregate it or further subdivide the category, you can have one main menu, and within that a number of submenus. Then each of these submenus can have articles or pages under that, is it not? So that's what is the concept of categories, menus, and articles. Now what I'll do it is the same example of a book. I will show you a real book so you can understand little more better. I go to Google Books and I've simply searched a book. Okay, as taking as an example. So go to Google Books. I've taken this example. So in the contents, if you see, this is first chapter. Okay, which says overview. Then it's got an introduction, understanding. So either you can make this as a menu overview, and these are the articles, and under that introduction is one article, or understanding project management could be another article, defining project success in another article. Fine. And then you have chapter 2, or else in this book I think they don't have categories, but some books, they say okay, chapter 1 to 5 is a definition phase, so that's the category, and this is a menu overview, and these are nothing but articles. And that's what I was trying to explain you here, that category first one is definition, within that menu one scoping. So in this case menu could be overview, and these are nothing but the articles, number 1, number 2, number 3, and articles could be from page 1 to 3, article 2 is from page 4 to 8, article 3. So this is the concept in very very easy and layman's words. A lot of people I see get confused in category, menu, and article. Tell you perfectly honestly, I myself got confused when I started learning Joomla. But slowly this concept became clear, and it's a very important concept to design your website. So it's imperative that you understand this very clearly now itself. Okay, so that leads me to the end of this class. In the next class, I will tell you a little more about the Joomla backend. So thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.